Is your motion and fitness app not working on your Apple Watch? This basically happens due to permission issues, sensor glitches, or syncing problems with your iPhone. In this video, I'll show you how to solve the motion and fitness app not working issue on your Apple Watch. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. Before doing anything else, make sure you're connected to your internet network, like Wi-Fi or mobile data. You have a stable internet connection, turn on and then turn off airplane mode. After doing these things, follow the advanced solutions. Solution 1. Wrist detection. First, open up the Settings app on your Apple Watch. Now scroll down a little bit. After that, tap Passcode. Then scroll down. Here you will see the wrist detection feature. Simply toggle it on. Solution 2. Reset sync data. Grab your iPhone. Open the Watch app. Now tap on General. Then scroll down to the bottom. Tap Reset. Now simply tap on Reset Sync Data. Solution 3. Check data sources in Health app. Open the Health app on your iPhone. Now tap on the Browse tab from the bottom right corner. Select the Health category, like Activity. Now again, tap Activity, scroll down to the bottom. Here you will see the Data Sources and Access option. Tap on it. Under the Data Sources, make sure your Apple Watch is listed. If you're still facing the same issue, then follow the last solution. Solution 4. Unpair and repair Apple Watch. Grab your iPhone, open the Watch app, tap My Watch from the bottom of the screen. Now tap All Watches from the top left corner. Then tap on the info icon next to the added watch. Now scroll down to the bottom, tap Unpair Apple Watch. Again tap Unpair Apple Watch. Then repair your Apple Watch. And this is the way to solve the motion and fitness app not working issue on your Apple Watch. Hope you found this video helpful. If you have anything to ask, then let me know in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned.